Hi everyone, this is Quentin. That is a Genie screwdriver. Now we're going to push the button, and that's the bottom. And it's loud. I'm going to close the garage. I switched the light on or off. No lock, just the light button. Now let's close it. There's a car in the garage. Let's close it. All right, Genie screwdriver. Let me shake the light wood.
Hey, Quinn, let's go out and go to the garage door. Can you open
The
it?
Genie? Yeah.
Let's go.
The Genie. And it's screwed. May I push it?
Push that arrow button right here.
Down, down, down. Bye-bye.
Oh, perfect. Good job.
Here's the outside of the garage. Bye. All right, I'll need a video for mine. Check back soon and subscribe for the channel. I videotaped the Genie screwdriver.
What do you think of that? Yeah, we're in Clayton's car.
We're in the Toyota.
I got home from
We're in the Toyota Camry.
He's like, I started and then Sammy spilled Gatorade all over the
And that's a
counter.
Genie screwdriver.
So he had mopped that area, but now the chairs are everywhere.
And I switched the light on or off.
And the rugs are flown about.